Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a very important term, failing forward. A term which all the students and young professionals must know about. It is the art of turning a failure into a benefit for the future. When you fail at something, you study it, identify where you went wrong and learn from it and then move on to try. As young professionals, it is important for us to realize that the difference between average people and achieving people is the perception of and response to failure. Failing forward is a consistent art. But how do you do it? Let's look into it. After accepting that failure is a part of the process, you have to let out your frustration. Once you have taken some time to walk it off and clear your head, you can then begin accepting what happened. The most critical part of the process, however, is being brutally honest to yourself, which 90% of the people don't do. It's very easy to turn on the TV, pull out the smartphone, or find out some form of distraction. Most people will do anything to avoid confronting their own self with mistakes they have made. And only then we will be able to fail forward. We fail forward by learning from our setbacks and making the necessary adjustment until we succeed. Every change we make, every person we meet, and every bit of information we absorb is coming together so we can create a different outcome. Now, let's talk practical. How can you potentially use failure as fuel for your growth? The first thing to realize is that life is too short to live with regret. Our total time on this planet averages around 30,000 days, and that's an alarming small number. So, have no regrets. And go after what you want. Take risks, calculated of course, but be aware with every risk could come failure. Accepting that you have failed can be very difficult, and the hardest part of failure can be admitting to yourself that you have failed. But once you admit it to yourself, you are already in the path of progression and moving forward. And in order to move forward, you have to be a good strategist. Never, I repeat, never forget to examine where you went wrong and get the systems in place to prevent those errors from occurring again. In order to do so, you will have to be vigilant and you have to stay focused. In today's busy world, being and staying focused is harder than ever. With text, notifications, social media, and email, it can be very hard to stay focused on anything. But always remember that your focus determines your reality and it's a choice. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel stuck in your career, make sure to visit our website www.togethermentor.com for more information.